Hello automotive enthusiast. 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, suspension tuning for high-speed desert performance driving. The Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk was already absurd. A supercharged HEMI V8 stuffed into a luxury SUV with enough horsepower to embarrass sports cars at traffic lights. But here's the problem nobody talks about. Raw power means nothing once the pavement disappears. Because the moment high-speed desert terrain enters the equation, horsepower alone becomes useless without suspension control. And that's exactly where the 2026 Trackhawk takes a completely different direction. This isn't just another loud SUV with oversized tires and aggressive marketing. The new Trackhawk has been re-engineered to survive brutal, high-velocity off-road punishment while maintaining the precision and composure expected from a high-performance street machine. And honestly, the suspension setup is the real story here. Factory dampers are gone. In their place? Long-travel bypass shock systems engineered to absorb violent terrain impacts at speeds that would normally send a heavy SUV completely out of control. We're talking deep ruts, sharp compressions, high-speed desert washouts. The kind of terrain that exposes weak suspension tuning instantly. But Jeep didn't stop there. The adaptive air suspension has been recalibrated to continuously manage ride height, chassis stability, and weight transfer during aggressive driving. That matters because a supercharged Trackhawk carries enormous mass and ridiculous torque. Without proper damping control, the vehicle would constantly pitch, dive, and lose composure under extreme load changes. Instead, this thing stays shockingly planted. The suspension absorbs punishment while the chassis remains composed enough to keep the driver confident at speeds that honestly feel unnatural for a full-size SUV. Then comes the supercharged HEMI. The moment throttle response kicks in, the Trackhawk launches across loose terrain with brutal force, throwing dirt into the air while the recalibrated suspension desperately manages the chaos underneath. And somehow, it works together beautifully. That balance between violence and precision is incredibly difficult to engineer. Most high-horsepower SUVs either feel too soft for performance driving, or too stiff to survive rough terrain comfortably. The 2026 Trackhawk is attempting to dominate both worlds simultaneously. Inside, it still delivers the premium atmosphere buyers expect. Digital performance displays, aggressive sport seating, luxury materials mixed with hardcore off-road intent. It feels expensive. But more importantly, it feels engineered. Like every mechanical upgrade serves an actual performance purpose instead of existing purely for marketing hype. The 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk isn't just chasing bigger horsepower numbers anymore. It's chasing control, durability, precision. Because once you enter high-speed desert driving, suspension tuning becomes more important than raw engine output. And if Jeep truly perfected this mechanical formula, the new Trackhawk may become one of the most dangerous high-performance SUVs ever unleashed off-road.